Okay, for 57 it says solve the equations or systems, right? So A, we have x squared minus 1 equals 15. I'm going to add 1 to both sides, so I get x squared equals 16. Take the square root of both sides, and I get plus or minus 4, right? So there's A. For B, we have a system of equations, but they're both set equal to y. So I'm going to use equal value method and say 3x minus 2 must then equal 4x plus 3. Subtract 3x from both sides. So negative 2 equals x plus 3. Subtract 3 from both sides. Negative 5 equals x. So x equals negative 5. Then I need to substitute into one of the two equations. So I don't know, I'll use the second one. Either one is fine. 4 times negative 5 plus 3. Y equals negative 20 plus 3. Y equals negative 17. So the solution is an ordered pair, right? Must be written as an ordered pair. Negative 5, negative 17. Okay, for C, let me make space. C, we have x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. So again, if it's possible to factor, we're going to factor. It's the quickest. So, right, we have x, and then what times what is negative 8 added gives me negative 2. So that's negative 4, right, and positive 2. So then the zero product property says x minus 4 is 0, or x plus 2 is 0. So x equals 4, x equals negative 2. So there's two solutions. This is not an ordered pair. This is set notation, right? Negative 2 or 4. Okay, and D, let's make space. D, we have 2x squared. I'm going to rewrite it, add x to both sides, plus x minus 7 equals 0. So this is a quadratic. Let's see if it factors. If I multiply the negative 14, I cannot use decomposition, so that doesn't work. So I'm forced with using another method. I could complete the square, or I could use the quadratic formula. Let's use the quadratic formula. So A is 2, B is 1, C is negative 7, x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So x equals negative 1 plus or minus 1 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 7 all over 2 times 2. X equals negative 1 plus or minus, right? 1 plus 56, root 57, right? 57 all over 4. And let me made that kind of long there, right? Okay. And we're done. We leave it right in that form for D.